welcome to Moonshine Wednesday. So, what do we got going on today? Well, today, temperature's getting nice out, you know, and sometimes you got a family gathering, you want to just sit around, enjoy something. Maybe you want to sit outside and watch the grass grow, who knows. But, this is a very enjoyable moonshine. And what it is sweet tea moonshine. Some people even call it Georgia moonshine. I just call it sweet tea moonshine. It's just one of my summertime drinks. Well, actually, I like it in the wintertime too. Okay, but first things first. Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So, what are we gonna need? Well, excuse me. I'll put the ingredients down in the description box down below. Okay, and it will be mainly a quart at a time, but you can just scale it up to whatever your needs are. Okay, so what are the ingredients we're going to need? Well, we're going to need some sugar, going to need some lemons, going to need some tea bags. All right, so first things we got to do, already got some water warming up. First thing we want to do is we need to make some strong tea. Okay, so for each quart you're going to need 2 cups of strong tea. Today I'm going to make 4 quarts because I know this don't last, so not 4 quarts. I'm going to make 2 quarts because I know it don't last. So what I'm going to put in my mixing bowl here is I need 4 cups of tea. So as soon as my water heats up, I'll be right back and we'll do this. And then we're going to make one of the great ingredients in this is lemon syrup. Alright. Okay, so as soon as the water heats up, I'll be right back. So my water is boiling. Let me put 4 cups in this mixing bowl here. Ooh, it's hot too. Alright, there's 4 cups. Alright, so in that 4 cups of water, what I want to do is I'm going to use 6 tea bags, just throw them in there, and we're just going to set this aside and let the magic happen with our tea, okay? So now, what we need to make now is we need to make our lemon syrup, because what we want to do is we want to let that cool down. Okay, so we want to make our lemon syrup, and how we're going to do that is I need 1 cup of sugar, and like I said, you can scale this to whatever way you need to. You make it by the gallon, whatever the case may be. Alright? So, 1 cup of sugar. And then I want one half a cup of water. Damn it. 1/2 a cup of water. Alright, and now the next thing, there's a knife, is I want basically a half a cup of lemon juice. But let me I want to peel some of the zest off of the lemons. So let me just zest 1 lemon. A lot of flavor in that zest. I might do both lemons, but I might just do 1. Alright. That's good. And what I would want, basically I want a half a cup of lemon juice. Pretty close. So I might have to use both lemons. I figured I did. Yep. So that's 2 lemons. Alright. So I'm going to put half a cup of lemon juice in there, but I wanted to kind of get them seeds out. I meant to use a strainer. Seeds out. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to start heating this up. And you want to stir it. And what we want to do is we want to get all that sugar melted. And we're going to make us a little syrup. Don't put the lemon zest in yet. So just keep stirring this. Don't let it burn. Basically, you want to just bring it up to a simmer. See the tea. I don't know if you can see the tea over. Yeah, see the tea over here. It's getting stronger. Lemon smells so good. Tea's starting to get nice and strong. I want strong tea. That's one thing I love all year round is iced tea. Okay, all the sugar is melted. Alright, it's just starting to simmer. I'm going to shut the heat off. Okay? Alright, so what do we got to do now? Well, now we have to, what I'm going to do is that zest, I'm going to throw it in there now. The zest of 1 lemon. And we just got to let it cool down. Okay, so let me let that cool down. And then we'll be back and we'll be able to finish this thing up. I'm looking forward to it. Alright, I'll be back in a while. Okay, so you can do this any particular way that you want to. Alright, so what I'm going to do is in each quart, and like I said, this ain't even marked off on, is I'm going to mark it off. I'm going to put 2 cups of strong tea in each one. If I don't spill it. So 2 cups. Just a hair bit. 2 cups of the strong tea in each one. I don't think I got kind of that equal though, do I? I think I got a little bit too much tea on it. Just a little bit. A little more. Alright, there's 2 cups there. Okay. Yeah, if it's off just a little bit, that's okay. Alright, so 2 cups. Now in each one of them quarts, I'm going to put a half a cup of the lemon syrup. Let me get these lemon rinds out of there. I mean, the smell coming off this syrup, and you could use this syrup for a lot of different things. It smells fantastic. So let me put a half a cup in each one. Okay. See how easy this is? Yeah, some of these recipes are so darn easy. And then the only other thing we're going to do is we're going to top the jars off with your shine. This is 100 proof shine, just a corn-based moonshine. So, and by all realities, I will be adding, just a little over a cup. Alright, you can do this to taste. So that's about a cup in each one. Put a lid on it. Just mix it up. And what do you have? You have sweet iced tea moonshine. Hey, you leave that in the refrigerator, get cold, you go out on the summer day, pour yourself some glass of ice, pour it over top, and enjoy. But for right now, I know it ain't nice cold, but we gotta give it a try, don't we? Cheers. Whoa! You want to talk about something to get you in trouble? Oh man! So, because I did a quarter, so that's somewhere in the neighborhood of, I would guess, 25 proof. Man, that is fantastic. That's, and I say this a million times, that ain't gonna last long. Especially if you get a couple people come over to the house and you break that out, it's gonna be gone. Alright, so, and like I said before, you can scale this up to any amount that you want. It's delicious. It is 100% delicious. Alright. Well, there's another Moonshine Wednesday. It seems like everybody's liking Moonshine Wednesday. I got me a list of recipes. A few of them I haven't tried. And I will let you know if they're good, they're good. If they're not, they're not. But that's good. Alright. I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. All right.